Before you buy, know who is really behind your rigging hardware. Here are some questions to ask your rigging provider. Are the product certifications complete and transparent? And do they show the mill and origin of the steel used? You should buy only from a manufacturer that discloses raw material and the country of origin of the finished product, as well as other elements required by local and federal standards. Are third-party test certificates or type approvals available to you? Are they in the name of the supplier or another sub-manufacturer? To know who is really manufacturing your rigging equipment, it is important your certificates allow tracing the equipment back to the original manufacturer. If other third-party manufacturers are listed, make sure you research and exercise due diligence before using the products. What % of your supplier's products are resold or partially assembled? To prevent putting your company in jeopardy by risking life and load, you should know whether your supplier is a highly vertically integrated supply chain manufacturer or a so-called manufacturer that private labels from an outsourced manufacturer.